YouTube, is your man TC the Barber, back with another haircut tutorial. It's been 12 days since I dropped my last haircut tutorial, so it's been a minute. Been trying to stay consistent, you know what I mean? And it's kind of hard sometimes too, you know, shop opening and back up. And it's been crazy busy for me anyways. So this haircut tutorial, I really enjoyed doing this one. I hit him up, I said, hey man, I'm gonna need you as a model for my YouTube video. I said, hey man, you bring your waves, I got my surfboard, you know what I mean? Let's get it. He said, all right boss, let's do it. So that being said, man, we're finna get into this video. Hope y'all enjoy and stay tuned. YouTube, is your man TC the Barber, back with another haircut tutorial. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell, let you know when I'm dropping my next video. So in this haircut tutorial, I'm gonna be doing a Caesar with a taper in the back. And yeah, man, we're gonna get right into it. So in this first step, with my silver skeleton Batless FX, I'm gonna go ahead and set in my first initial ball guideline at the nape of the neck. So now that I'm finished cleaning up the bottom of the neck, I'm going to go in with my Andes cordless masters with the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go ahead and set my first guideline in. I'm going up about a ½ an inch. Now I'm going to close that lever all the way up and go ahead and take out that first initial ball guideline. I'm going to open the lever halfway and continue to fade. So this next step with the number 1 guard, open it up all the way. I'm gonna go ahead and set in my second guideline. Brushing the hair down just to see what I'm working with. Now with the 0 guard right now, with the lever all the way closed, I'm gonna go ahead and tack the first guideline. And keep working that fade until you see the line disappear, or until you see a smooth surface. I'm going to open that lever up halfway and continue to fade. Now some barbers do this different. Some barbers start with the lever halfway open and knock out the line just to soften up the line, and then they'll close it to finish knocking the line out. But I like to start with the lever all the way closed and then open it up to half. So everybody got different techniques in the way they cut. So with the number 2 guard, with the lever all the way open, now I'm going to create my third guideline. And my next step is going to be coming out to knock out my second guideline. adjusting it to half right now. I want to go ahead and soften this line up, and then I'm gonna close it up to knock it out. And this is the number 1 guard with the lever adjusted to half. Brushing the hair down just so I can see what I'm working with. Now I want to close the lever all the way and go ahead and finish attacking that line until I get a smooth surface. Keeping it consistent and just working those fades, flicking up and out at the line. Now, with the same guard, the number 1 guard, with the lever adjusted to half, it's the desired length that he want to take it. So I'm gonna do 1.5 guard all over. Being careful around the crown area, as you can see. And I'm brushing the hair the way it lays. It's very important when you're cutting around the crown. Definitely want to brush the hair and make sure you're brushing the hair the way that the crown goes. Now that we got the hair knocked down, I'm gonna go ahead and line up the back of the head. And repeating the same steps on the right side. Using the corner of the blades to go up and around the ear. And just finessing that back line, as y'all can see. Getting them nice and crisp. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the front of the head. Starting in the middle is what I do. I use the middle as the guide. Want to get that line and nice and crisp. And I think I say this in all my videos, man. It's very important to get that line up right. The line up is just like a period at the end of a sentence. Very important. The most important part of the cut is facts. Facts. And like as you guys can see, I'm keeping this line in. I'm keeping it natural as possible. You don't want anything fancy. Just a nice curve and a nice little point. Coming back to the middle. I'm I'm gonna be working on my right side now. With the corners, guys, I try to use the corner of the eyebrow to use that as a guide. That way I won't push this corner back too far. That's a good guide to use as well. And as you notice, I constantly brush that hair forward, just to get every little hair, make sure this line is crispy as possible. Cause I want him to walk out of the shop and somebody to see his hair like, hey man, who cut you? Oh yeah man, that's TC the barber. This is work right here on my head. Yeah, something like that. Just finessing this lining, man. And just doing some finishing touches before I hit them with the razor. I can't stress this. It's definitely important for new barbers and old barbers to use that mirrors, because a lot of times I just seen barbers like not use the mirror at all, you know what I mean? And I'm like, man, that mirror is important, definitely important. It's a must, you know what I mean? Because sometimes you can, when you're staring at cuts for so long throughout the day, and you're not using that mirror, just cutting in general plays with your eyes, especially if you're cutting all day. So it's definitely important to step back, gaze at the lining, or use that mirror. And I think I say that mostly all of my videos, but I stress it because that's important. So hitting it with that razor work. And just tapping the line with it, just tapping the line. Don't need to do too much. One thing I do like about the Fabulous trimmers, they come to you sharp. They come out the box sharp. I mean, you ain't got to do nothing extra. I mean, you could move you could adjust the blade if you want. You know what I mean? But they are the best trimmers on the market, honestly, in my opinion. But you gotta keep you a pair of OGs too. You gotta keep you a pair of Andes, whether they cordless or cord. I definitely keep a pair of them in my drawer. You know, I can't just throw them out. You know, those OGs, man, you gotta keep them around until they burn out. And then when they burn out, then you can move on. I mean, that's just the way I look at it. Keeping it consistent, working that razor. Coming straight down that middle. And YouTube, this is the cut. I definitely appreciate you guys for watching. I don't get waivers a lot, so when I do get them, I be like, yes, got me one. You can follow me on IG and also Facebook at TC the Barber. And appreciate you guys for watching. And I'm out. Peace.